guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you 3 products. So the first one is the air purifier, and the next one is the portable blender, and the next one is recipe book. So let's see one by one. Let's open this air purifier first. So let's see how it works. So this is the air purifier. It comes with this charger, USB, mini USB, and this is the air purifier. After plug it on, you can see there is a button here. You can turn on. I can see the blue light. So this way.
Turn off the machine, and then this one. Turn anti-clockwise to remove the filter.
And you can clean the filter.
Yeah, clean the filter and then put it back again. Turn clockwise. That's it, pretty simple. And turn it on. You can hear the fan here.
Yeah, so does it really clean the air?
Yeah, it's just by the dust particles when it will go through this and this collect on the filter actually. But it ionizes, right? That's why it attracts the particles and then put it there.
So all these dust particle will collect here, right?
Yes. I mean, you can just brush it off, that's all.
Yeah.
Brush the dirty filter, that's it. If you just put it on the table, keep it running so that it automatically attracts the dust particles and then keep it here. That's what it does. Okay. I don't know how effective it is, but hopefully, but you just keep it running, that's all. Yeah. It's just sucking all the air and then accumulating the dust particles. So what will happen if you put it in a room? You will not see the amount of dust that you see on your TV or sofa. After a couple of days, you see a layer of dust, right? If you put it, the idea is that will reduce. I'm not saying it will go completely, but it will be reduced because this device will attract the dust.
You cannot clean your room regularly. You can put this thing there.
Yeah, it's just clean. It just cleans up some dust. That's all. But you have to do cleaning, right? Cleaning is different than removing some dust.
But you have to clean less if you put 10 of this one.
Yeah, but we'll see. I mean, the idea is that it will help, but how much it will help, it depends. Because to remove all dust is very difficult. But I think it will significantly reduce the dust.
Reduce the dust. Yeah.
Because what happens is that because of the ionization, it attracts the dust towards itself. So when the air goes through it, it attracts the dust, so that the dust comes here, and then all other places just remain, without dust. So that's the good thing.
For 8 hours, it will turn off automatically. So the next one is the portable blender. So let's see how this one works. Make a really cute one. Oh, type C. This one is type C charger. Comes with this to clean this one. And a straw. And a straw. Oh, it works. Let me wash it and we'll check how it works. Add some oatmeal. Strawberry. Okay, some strawberry and some blueberry. And I'll add some acai juice. Saying it, put it like 2 seconds. So the smoothie. It's okay. I think this one is not for oatmeal. You cannot blend oatmeal like really thin. But for the fruits and vegetables, this one is a great one. But I have added oatmeal just to check how it works. But I think in oatmeals, I feel the chunks of oatmeal. It's not like the Vitamix. It's you feel the oatmeal texture. So which I don't like much. But if you are using only the fruits and vegetable, it will work fine, because I don't feel any other stuff but the oatmeal I feel in my mouth. So yeah. Yeah, otherwise it's cool. I mean, you can carry it in here. In the travel also you can take this one, so you can make your smoothie anytime. If you are like a vegetarian and you are traveling, then this one is like a great option for you. You can take it everywhere and make your smoothie. So yeah, this one is a great one for me. I mean, I cannot say it tastes like your Vitamix smoothie, but yeah, it's a good one for travel. This one is a great option. And I think if you're adding your oatmeal directly to your smoothie, then it will not blend properly, but the other fruits and vegetables, it will do it perfectly. I just clean this bottle, but you can also remove this thing also. But be careful, because if you press this one, it will cut your hand.
Okay, once you remove it, it doesn't turn on.
Okay.
So they have maintained the safety precautions here. So I will just tight it. Press.
But this is a good one. It's not like Vitamix or Ninja.
When you turn it, just turn it a little tight and press 2 seconds.
The next one is the cooking book. So let's see how it works. The cooking recipe book. This and this is. This comes with this one. Oh, okay, you can and directions and put it like here, and it comes with the pen. Recipe activity, let's see. These are all the activity, and this some stickers, some more yeah, you can put your recipes. There is lamination, so it will save. And these are more recipe. Yeah, this is a good one. If you're if you're safe and you have like so many recipe to write or note down, then this one is like a really a great option. I don't think I have any recipe. I cook only whatever I know. I don't have any special recipe, so I don't think I will need it. But if you are safe and you have a lot of recipe to cook and you have to write down somewhere, then this one is like a really a great option. I think in my entire life I don't have any recipe. I cook whatever I like. I never follow any recipe. I just watch some YouTube and cook. So I never write anything. So in case you write your recipe, then definitely this one is like a great option. yeah, it's like a really great option for the cooks. And these are like so many to write. You will have some measurements and everything. How for the safe and people who write their recipe and who love to cook, they will definitely like this one. I don't think I enjoy cooking a lot, or I even write down my recipe, so I don't think I need it, but this one is like a great option. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.